First of all, I cannot create my project last year because I really don't know. And I didn't ask my classmate about. So many days I forgot to ask him or her. So all about this is my fault. Thank you, Sir JB, to give me a chance to pass this my project. Hi, I'm Jonard Pontañel. I live at Block 163, Lot 19, Adalia Street, Barangay Rizal, Makati City. I'm 18 years old. I was born October 5, 1994. I'm studying in University of Makati. My course is Associate Contact Center Service. If you hire me, I'll do best to my job and I'm multitasking performance with hardworking and easy to train and to learn. In my OJT, I learned how to handle the customer and I manage my time properly. And I need a job because I want to help my father and my mother. Thank you. That's